Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 7.2 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. First question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. To understand this problem, first let us draw a line segment. Let us assume this is the point A and this is the point B. The coordinates of point A are -1, 7. -1, 7. And the coordinates of point B are 4, -3. 4, -3. Now let us assume that this is the point P. Here, this point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 2:3. That is, AP is 2 and the distance between PB is 3. Now, the question is, we have to find the coordinates of this point P. Okay. So now, let us write the given data. Solution. Here, x1, y1 is this one, -1, 7. That is, x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7. x2, y2 is this one. That is, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to -3. And m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point P. So let P of x, y be the required point. Now we can easily find the coordinates of the point P of x, y by using section formula. So section formula is given by P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula. So P of x, y is equal to, the value of m1 is 2 into the value of x2 is 4 plus the value of m2 is 3 into the value of x1 is -1 divided by the value of m1 is 2 plus the value of m2 is 3, comma the value of m1 is 2 into the value of y2 is minus 3 plus the value of m2 is 3 and the value of y1 is 7 divided by m1 value is 2 plus m2 value is 3. Now p of x comma y is equal to 2 into 4 is 8 plus into minus minus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5 comma 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 into 7 is 21 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5 which is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 5 comma 21 minus 6 is 15 divided by 5. Here 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So there p of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore 1 comma 3 is the required point. This is the final answer. Second question, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Here the meaning of trisection is we have to divide the line segment into 3 equal sections. That is, we have to divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. Okay, so let's solve this problem. Solution. First, let us draw the line segment. This is the line segment A, B. The coordinates of the point A are 4 comma minus 1 and the coordinates of B are minus 2 comma minus 3. Now we have to divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So this is point P and this is point Q. Here AP is the first part and PQ is the second part and this QB is the third part. Okay, now in this question we have to find the coordinates of this point P and Q. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. Be the points of trisection of AB. That is, AP is equal to PQ and this PQ must be equal to QB. For example, if AP is equal to 1 centimeter, then PQ must also be equal to 1 centimeter and this QB must also be equal to 1 centimeter. First, let us calculate the coordinates of the point P. Here, this point P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 1:2. That is, we have to add both the distance between PQ and QB together. Okay. P divides internally in the ratio P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So now let us calculate the coordinates of the point P by using section formula. Therefore, section formula is given by m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is 1 and m2 is 2, and this is the x1 y1, that is x1 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to minus 1, and this is the x2 y2, that is x2 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to minus 3. Now let us substitute all these given values in the formula. So p of x comma y is equal to, the value of m1 is 1 into x2 value is minus 2 plus the value of m2 is 2, the value of x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2, and the value of m1 is 1 and the value of y2 is minus 3 plus the value of m2 is 2 and the value of y1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, which is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6 divided by 3, comma minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 divided by 3. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This implies p of x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the coordinate of point P. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we have to calculate the coordinates of the point Q. Here the point Q divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:1. That is, we have to add both the distances between AP and PQ together. Okay. Here Q divides internally in the ratio 2:1. Now we can easily find out the coordinates of point Q by using section formula. So section formula is given by Q of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Here m1 is 2 and m2 is 1 and x1 y1 is, this is x1 y1, that is x1 is 4 and the value of y1 is minus 1. Next, this is the x2 y2, that is the value of x2 is minus 2, the value of y2 is minus 3. Now let us substitute all these values in the section formula. So Q of x comma y is equal to, the value of m1 is 2 into the value of x2 is minus 2 plus the value of m2 is 1 into the value of x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. The value of m1 is 2 plus the value of m2 is 1 comma the value of m1 is 2 into the value of y2 is minus 3 plus the value of m2 is 1 and the value of y1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. That is Q of x comma y is equal to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 3 comma 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus into minus minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled and the answer is 0 by 3. Here adding minus 6 and minus 1 we get minus 7 divided by 3. So this implies the coordinates of Q are 0 by 3 is nothing but 0 minus 7 by 3. This is the coordinates of the point Q, that is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Now we have to write the conclusion. Thus, the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining A and B are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So this is the final answer.